firstly, thank you guys for watching my channel. Yeah, it's really great to see the subscribers growing, and what I'd like to ask you guys to do is, if you get value out of my channel, if you could share it with some friends, that would really help me out to get some more subscribers and some more people watching my content. I've been hard at it editing the Bashfest video that's coming really soon, but haven't got that ready quite yet because it's massive. So for now, I've got some throwback video from back in the day when I used to race at R31 Skyline in some autocross just locally, and yeah, there's some clips of that coming right up. Well guys, as you see, it was pretty wild back in the day. Used to have lots of fun and still do, even 10 years on. That car's gone now, but I've got heaps of great content coming. I've got a new car which is sitting right behind the camera now. I'm pretty excited to show you guys that. But what I'd like to hear is what you guys have to say, what you guys like to see on the channel. Whether you want to see full drive content, whether you want to see some modifications to some cars, whether you guys want to see RC car stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys like to see. Even some crazy ideas, like dual wheels on the back of a car. You let me know what you want to see and we'll see if we can make it happen. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Coming soon, but it's taking me a little bit long time.